This video will guide you through understanding the legal aspects of buying a business. Hiring the right lawyer can ensure a smooth transaction and protect your interests. If you are considering buying a business, then this video is for you. Before we start, just a brief disclaimer. The following information is provided for educational purposes and in no way constitutes legal advice. For legal advice, we encourage you to consult a licensed attorney. We will cover: what type of lawyer do I need to buy a business? What legal questions should I be asking during due diligence? And what are typical legal documents needed to buy a business? We've also added a link below with information on lawyer pricing if you want to know the cost of hiring a lawyer. Now let's get started. What type of lawyer do I need? Choosing the right lawyer is crucial when buying a business. Here are the types of lawyers you may need. Business lawyer specializes in business transactions and can guide you through the entire buying process. Corporate lawyer handles the formation, operation, and dissolution of corporations. Useful if you are buying a corporation. Mergers and acquisitions lawyer specializes in the complexities of buying and selling businesses, ensuring a smooth transaction. Real estate lawyer. If the purchase involves significant property, a real estate lawyer can handle the real estate transaction aspect. And employment lawyer can help review employment contracts and policies if you are inheriting employees as part of the business purchase. Legal questions during due diligence. During the due diligence phase, it's important to ask the right legal questions to uncover potential issues before buying a business. Here are some key questions. What are the liabilities? Are there any outstanding debts, lawsuits, or other liabilities? Are there any intellectual property issues? Ensure trademarks, patents, and copyrights are properly registered and transferred. What is the status of contracts? Review all existing contracts with customers, suppliers, and employees for any unfavorable terms. Are there any compliance issues? Ensure the business complies with all relevant laws and regulations. What are the tax implications? Understand the tax liabilities and benefits associated with the purchase. And are there any zoning or permit issues? Verify that the business operations comply with local zoning laws and have all necessary permits. Typical legal documents. Several critical legal documents are involved in buying a business. Here are the most common ones. 1. Letter of intent, or LOI. This outlines the preliminary agreement between the buyer and seller before detailed due diligence. 2. Purchase agreement. This is the main document detailing the terms and conditions of the business sale. 3. Non-disclosure agreement, or NDA. This ensures confidential information disclosed during negotiations is protected. 4. Bill of sale. This transfers ownership of tangible assets from the seller to the buyer. 5. Assignment of contracts. This transfers the seller's rights and obligations under existing contracts to the buyer. 6. Lease agreement. If the business operates from leased premises, this document transfers the lease to the buyer. And 7. Employment agreements. For key employees being retained, new employment agreements may be necessary. Hiring the right lawyer and understanding the legal landscape is essential when buying a business. If you need help from an experienced lawyer, feel free to search Contracts Counsel or visit contractscounsel.com and post a job to get quotes from lawyers to help you. Thanks for watching.